Welcome everyone to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up and install Signal on a Linux computer, and I will post a link down below in the notes down in the video description to this page which has the instructions, and this is for Debian based distros only, such as Ubuntu, Mint, and so if you're using a different distro, these instructions will not work for you. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and move this over a little bit, and we're going to come down here and search for terminal and open it up. And we are literally just going to follow exactly the instructions here. Please note that it does scroll from left to right, and so we need to do step one. So we're just going to copy the command here exactly, copy it, paste it in, return, type in the password, and then we're going to do step two, exact same thing, just copy exactly, make sure we get it all there, paste it in, return, and then the last step here, again, we're just going to copy it, copy exactly, paste it in, return, and it's now completed step 3. So if I go down here to the bottom left to show applications and search for Signal, we can see it's now an option. I can click on it, and there it is. It's now installed and ready to use, and as noted down here, you do need to first set it up on your phone, but the main thing for this video, the scope of this video, was just showing how to get it installed and set up here in Linux. That's everything for this video. If you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.